Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just have kind of like a, I guess, haul in a way, or unboxing. I ordered this from Niftycraftyme on Instagram, and this is part of the Sweet Story collection. So she had created, you know, embellishments and stuff, and it's kind of like the kits that she makes. So I had ordered one for the Sweet Story collection, and I'm excited because all I have so far is the double-sided paper from Sweet Story, and I don't have anything else. Everything else is like back ordered, and my whole order is like back ordered until, you know, companies are getting their shipments in, and some of them, you know, haven't gotten all the pieces from my order yet. So I don't want to like create anything until I have everything in my hands, but here we have these goodies from Niftycraftyme. So let me show you guys what's in her kit. So first thing, I had suggested that she include some double-sided papers. Now, I actually suggested that before I even decided I would purchase the Sweet Story collection, and she decided, you know, she would include some. So she included some sheets of the Sweet Story collection, and I'm so happy about that, and I hope she continues to do this because, you know, sometimes we just need a 6x6 paper just to create some things of our own. So this is some of the papers. This is like a nice yellow one. You have this one, the cute little animal. I don't know what that is. Is that like a jaguar? But it's wearing like little flowers. It's so cute. You have this pattern paper. You have this one. There's this one. And I'm happy she included like a variety. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, look at this paper. Magical, you're loved, happy heart. Oh, I love it. This would be such a nice paper for like a card base. And look at this one. So stinking cute. So I'm so happy she decided to include some 6x6 papers. Yay, thank you so much for taking my suggestion. And then here is what the kit looks like. So let's open this up. Oh, I could use this ribbon for something. Yes, guys, I don't have ribbon like this. I only have a pink and a blue because I was going to make some baby card invitations for my shop because I had made some for my sister for her baby shower and everybody like loved them. So I decided I would make some for my shop. I just got to get around to it, but this is such a pretty, nice minty color. Totally saving this for projects. Oh, this would go, oh my gosh, guys. This would look so cute in these little sneakers that I'm making. Yes, instead of like this pink, even though this pink is really pretty, but this kind of looks more like a shoelace, so I could totally use that, especially with the darker colors in the Bloom collection. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So many ideas for that ribbon. The little things, guys, it's the little things. Okay, so let's see what's in this kit. Here we have some flowers that she created, and I think these are, oh my goodness, like look how pretty these flowers are. I love that she includes some flowers. That she used a double-sided paper on this, which is amazing because, you know, obviously when you have it like laid down, you could see kind of like the edges. So that's really nice that she has the double-sided papers. So super pretty flowers, and I love the little gemmies in the middle. So there's that. I'm just going to put this back. I'm going to put this with my Sweet Story collection. I'm just going to take everything like out of the box. And I keep these boxes too because they're great to re-gift. I have like a few of hers now, and she uses these boxes all the time. And she labeled them. I never even realized she labeled it Sweet Story. Never even realized that. Okay, so she also included some rosettes. I know there's other kits that you could get from other people, and they just include like the rosette thing without putting it together. But I love that she actually puts them together for you, so you don't have to like do any work. You could just start decorating with them, which I love that. Look at those. Look how pretty. Love that. Love those little gemmies. I really like this one and this one. I'll probably put like a gemmy in that one. Oh, I love this one. She used like that swan paper, but it's such a pretty color. Oh my god, this one's so pretty as well. There's this one. A green one, just like a plain color. Oh, and you could use them either, well, I guess this one I could use either side, whether I want the gemmy or not, but I really like that with the gemmy. We'll look at this pink paper. It's very pretty. And then there's this one as well. Oh, I love it. So there's that. Then she included some tassels that go with the collection. So we have like a green, a gold, a red, and like a pink. I'm just gonna actually take these out and add them to my tassels. These don't have to stay with the collection, but anything that's like the paper, I'm gonna keep with the collection, and everything else I'll put like with my goodies. So this I'll put with my trim. Anyway, she also made these butterfly rosettes. How pretty are they? And she got little like butterfly centers and she attached them to the rosette. Like, that's so pretty. I didn't even know you could get like those little centers. I haven't seen those before. So let me show you guys up close what that would look like. So here's an example of the butterfly. She got these like plastic little centers on them. Very cute. All right, let's just put this back. Actually, you know what? I could take those out too. I gotta like make a separate section of like embellishments to use. And like, I like that she doesn't do everything with just the paper, because then I would have to put it literally all with the paper. But I like that there's other stuff in here that I could use for other things and not just have to use with this collection. So there's this little butterfly trim here, this yellow heart trim, and this like minty floral trim. Loving all these like shaped kind of trims. Here she has some other goodies, little embellishment goodies. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little gumball machine. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't wait to show you guys that. Hold on. Gotta take these out of the packaging and show them to you up close. Oh my god, these are so fun. Dropping things. Okay, so in that baggie she has this little bow, which you can use as a dangle or just as an embellishment, because it does have like a little piece where you could thread something through it. These little puffy red stars and gold stars. She has these ones that are like fuzzy little stars. Look how cute those are. And then she has these cute this little cherry charm. I'm gonna just add those with my charms and stuff. And there's this ladybug charm right here. These are like sequins clusters. I don't know if she made these, but she like threaded through them if she did. And they're so cute. This gumball machine, I am dying over this. This is just adorable. How cute is that? So stinking cute. And then I have this little sequin mix. I see some butterflies and some pretty full colors. And then you have another one of those little bows. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these little goodies. Okay, also we have here some bows. She didn't put these together, but there's a lot of die cuts in here. Let me show you guys this. Lots and lots of die cuts. So you could assemble these bows yourself. I like these kits because sometimes you just want to put stuff together and not have to do the die cutting. So, and sometimes they're unique. Like, I don't have any of these, but these go great with the collection. Like these little like speaker thingamabobbies. So you have a few of those. You have the bows. What is here? Oh, the little pieces to the bows to wrap around. So I have how many bows? Like a lot. And she, you know, she takes out the little pieces from here. I see one still in there, but that's okay. That was just like a missed one. But she takes out, you know, most of those little bits and pieces. So cute, right? And all you have to do is just put it together, but all the cutting is done for you, which I love. Then you also have these cute little doilies. She includes like a variety of doilies, these actually would go great on a rosette. So for example, I could take a rosette and I could layer this on top. Like, look how pretty that is. Ooh, this one was gonna look really pretty on that. Look. Look how stinking cute. And then you can do some more layering. But that is very cute. So you have those little teeny doilies. You also have a few stars, or a bit of stars, like 5, just cut out in the different pattern paper. So you got some of those. You have some tags, which would be great to do like a little tag flip. They're already cut out for you. Super cute. You have more little doilies. Look how cute these are. I need a doily die like that. I do. She has this little like frame thing. So she has a few of those. You could actually use this on the tag flip too. Little memory dex cards. and you could just build up from here. I would probably double back it and just like cut out with some white plain cardstock, or stick a couple of these together. So you have some memory dex cards, you got these little teeny bag toppers, and they would just, you know, they fold and they open up like that. So little bag toppers. You have, what are these? Little butterflies. Look how pretty those are. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, I'm loving those in the butterfly form. That's a nice butterfly die also. And I don't normally craft with butterflies for me, but it's like slowly growing on me. Oh, these are little flowers that you roll and put together. How pretty is that paper? Oh my gosh, look at this one. The yellow paper with the flowers. I love this paper from that collection. So pretty. Alright, so we have a bunch of flowers, and then we have some large doilies. She must have a lot of paper when she's making these kits. These large doilies take up a lot of space. Oh my god, look at this one. So pretty. So I'm loving all the little cut pieces that are already cut for me. Next up, I see, oh my gosh, she included ephemera in this collection. I think I knew that, but I also think I forgot at the same time. So she includes like a whole pack of ephemera in this collection. So that is amazing. I have a whole bunch of ephemera. So I'm going to actually put this with the collection as well and just take everything out. And then, like I said, I keep the boxes. They're good for regifting. Okay, so that is everything that was in this kit. I can't wait to create with Sweet Story. I'm gonna wait for everything else to arrive though, so I could like really create with it and not be like limited in what I have. So yeah, I'm excited, and thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely check out Niftycraftyme. I will have her Instagram linked down below, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.